Laravel is a recent newcomer to the PHP framework space, having just been released in 2011. It has already moved to version 4 and acquired an active and productive user base. As of this writing, Laravel is the #1 PHP framework by a pretty decent margin. Let's find out why. Laravel was born out of frustration with the lagging CodeIgniter framework. Laravel has a very active community, and you hear people saying things like, Laravel makes PHP fun again. It borrows many libraries from Symfony 2 and integrates elements and was inspired by a lot of other different programming environments. There was a little bit of criticism after version 4 that they were versioning too quickly and each version was overwriting and obsoleting the previous one, so they've slowed down at version 4 and it seems to be a much more stable build. Laravel uses Composer natively. You can install only sub-elements if you'd like to. One of the strong things about Laravel is its command line interface called Artisan that ships with it. There are a few things to know about when you're developing with Laravel. For one, Laravel uses its own ORM that's called Eloquent. The Eloquent ORM utilizes the active record pattern. Laravel is very JSON and REST friendly. Laravel is integrated with Backbone.js. In fact, Laravel uses a lot of JavaScript constructs, which is why it's very friendly when you're developing AJAX applications. Laravel ships with its own template engine called Blade. Laravel also utilizes a very intuitive routing mechanism, and its controllers are resourceful. Laravel Framework has brought some new life into the PHP development environment through a slightly new approach using tested components from Symfony, and the result has been the stirring of an active developer base. Let's take a deeper look into this framework and see why it's grown to the top of the list.